Foundation. Today's topic of discussion is no confidence motion. No confidence motion included in GS paper 3 syllabus of UPSC mains examination. The Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla accepted a no confidence motion moved by the opposition against the government on July 26. The motion was brought amidst the opposition's ongoing protest demanding a statement on the situation in Manipur from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What is no confidence motion? A no confidence motion is a parliamentary motion which is moved in the Lok Sabha against the entire Council of Ministers, stating that they are no longer deemed fit to hold position of responsibility due to their inadequacy in some respect or their failure to carry out their obligation. No prior reason needs to be stated for its adoption in the Lok Sabha. Means no confidence motion is a parliamentary motion which is moved in Lok Sabha to check the accountability of entire Council of Ministers, and for the passage of this motion no prior reason is needed for its adoption in the Lok Sabha. Now, what is the procedure of a no confidence motion? A motion of no confidence motion against the government can be introduced only in Lok Sabha under Rule 198. The Constitution of India does not mention about either a confidence or a no confidence motion. Although Article 75 does specify that the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. A motion of no confidence can be admitted when a minimum of 50 members supports the motion in the House. The Speaker then, once satisfied that the motion is in order, will ask the House if the motion can be adopted. If the motion is passed in the House, the government is bound to vacate the office. A no confidence motion needs a majority vote to pass in the House. If individual or parties abstain from voting, those number will be removed from the overall strength of the House, and then the majority will be taken into account. Did the government worried about this motion? No. Why? As we have seen, to pass the no confidence motion, a majority votes is needed. With the as we know, the Lok Sabha in the Lok Sabha the majority marks at 272. Currently, the NDA government has 331 members, with the BJP alone boasting of 303 MPs. This means that even if all non-NDA parties come together, the BJP still has the numbers to survive a no confidence motion. A newly named INDIA alliance has 144 MPs, while neutral parties such as the BRS, YSRCP, and the BJD have a combined strength of 70. However, the no confidence motion has historically been used as a strategic tool to force a discussion on a certain topic or issue. The opposition knows that it does not have the numbers but still has moved the motion to force the government to address their concern about the situation in Manipur. Then how many no confidence motion have been moved in the past? It was during the third Lok Sabha in 1963 that the first motion of no confidence was moved by Acharya J.B. Kripalani against the government headed by Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The debate on the motion lasted for 21 hours over 4 days with 40 MPs participating. In his reply, Nehru remarked a no confidence motion aim at or should aim at removing the party in government and taking its place. It is clear in the present instant that there was no such expectations or hope, and so the debate, although it was interesting in many ways and I think profitable too, as a little unreal. Personally, I have welcomed this motion and this debate. I have felt that it would be a good thing if we were to have periodical tests of his kind. Nehru's opinions about the no confidence motion is that it aims at removing the party in government and taking its place, and it can be act as a periodical test of the present government. Since then, there have been 26 more no confidence motion moved in the parliament, not counting the latest one. with the last one being in 2018, moved by the TRS against the previous Narendra Modi government. Thank you. For more information, please like, share and comment on this video and join our Telegram channel as Akar UPSC MPSC. Thank you.